everybody, it's Where You Stuck Wednesday. Lisa Lavender from the Restoration Technical Institute. And today's stuck is, where's the Lysol wipes and hand sanitizers? And there's some additional information there, but really, let's talk about supply chain with this and go to just talking about our disinfectants. So one, right now we need to proactively be managing our inventory, so we cannot wait until we have 2 days and hope for a shipment. We want to be way more proactive than that. Communicate with our suppliers, understand the lead time of our favorite products. I'd also encourage you to be talking to them and asking for alternatives. There's a lot of disinfectants out there that may not be your first choice or your go-to that are readily available and accessible. If you don't have suppliers, I'm going to throw out a couple names that we work with at RTI and have been great partners to our industry. Aramco, APE. There's a product called Procure you can access from Jon-Don. It's a great product for this. And I'm going to throw out another one. It's Aqua Chempac, and it's chempacs.com, and those are in pods, and they have some disinfectant available. So the moral of the story here is to broaden your horizons, be open to other products, have communication lines open. So don't just call and ask for one specific thing. Ask what other comparable products that they may have readily available. Proactively manage your inventory. And that doesn't just apply to your products that you're using. Also think about your disposable supplies. And we already know the situation with PPE, that we have to be managing that very proactively and getting our orders in. We could be seeing 4 to 6 weeks lead time easily. But also keep an eye on your equipment. Air scrubbers have become less readily available, and really think ahead during these times. And also keep notes about the next time. Some of this is normal day-to-day business continuity, disaster planning. So the next time there could be circumstances in our world that could provide a shortage in something, we want to react very quickly and think through our supply chains, whether it's because there's a high demand, but also sometimes it's because of compromised transportation systems and other things. So those are just some tips to help you get through it. Check out, talk to your suppliers, consider alternative products. I also encourage you to look at, instead of wipes or paper toweling, look at using reusable cloths, microfiber. Those are great alternatives that you can wash and reuse and have some other additional benefits over disposable items. So good luck to you. Can't wait to hear where you stuck for next Wednesday. Email us at info@Restoration Technical Institute, and we'll try to help you at your next step.